at the end of the week, well, it's not the end of the week, but almost, so we eat it today. And well, we eat it because we have a little bit of a history from our golden century to sail on the west and the east, and that we didn't only get very rich of it, but they brought us a lot of spices, sweet and sour, things we didn't know, things we could trade. So Holland became, from that part, very rich. So what's here on the table is a rice table, but it's not a rice table like you eat in Indonesia, because that's much more and other tastes. But here it is my rice table, and it is the taste between sweet and sour. And well, I have a little bit of meat over there, and a little bit of vegetables and fruit over there, and it is sweet and sour. So I suggest you take a little part of it and taste, and take a next round, because there's more than enough food for everybody. And when it's done, I put some new on the table. And it's the most easy part is when one table starts. Well, I choose for that table, otherwise they have to wait so long. Now, you. So if you start, I take off everything. Nienke will explain what the tastes are, and please try a little bit of the sauce also. Have a nice meeting.
Okay.
And I forget one thing, it's also spicy, of course, not what I made, but it's over there. When it's too spicy for you, you have the cucumber, that's to bless it. So then you can start it. Okay, that's it. Okay, now, als jij het eraf haalt, met saté, de saus, kip. Nou, die kan dan varkensvlees, zoet. Brood voor de liefhebber. Ananas. Ei met curry.
Ja?
Don't take. Make a food.
No, that's chutney. That's mango chutney. That's sweet. Here is the fruit, and here's the tempeh.
Ja.
The tempeh is
Do we go both ways or just